This is a quick video showing some of the difficulties I've been having with 3D Coat. As you can see, I'm running the free trial and I have 20 days left. So what I'm trying to do with this program is basically import sculpts that I've already done and bring them in as voxels. I'm hoping that the 64-bit nature of the software allows me to bring in more high poly models and keep their details versus trying to use something like Dynamesh and ZBrush that kind of destroys the details of the model, so that I can combine them, make them airtight, maybe even Boolean things out to make joints for toys and for 3D printing. So I always start with voxel sculpting, and I've found that if I just try to import something with this folder option, I usually don't get good results and it doesn't work. So I start with one of these spheres just to make sure that everything's working. So there's a sphere, and I can sculpt on it. It shows that it's working. That looks good. Okay, so I'm going to make a new layer. Okay, so I've got a new layer here. And usually I like to try to start with just one of these objects that comes with the program. Let's see. Just try this thing. Hide that. And it's starting at 115. So I'll auto scale it. That says 488. You can see nothing showing here. So I have to scale it dramatically to get it to show up in this window. So now it's 114,000 polys. Apply. I'll say yes. So that should be in there. Let me hide that now. I'm going to make another layer. So we have volume 6. And it imports automatically with surface, not volume. I don't know why that is, or if there's a way to get it to import as a volume. That's still something I'm trying to figure out. But anyway, now I'm going to try to actually import one of my models. And I don't know if 3D Coat is really dependent on directory structure, like if I need to actually have them somewhere, or if I can grab them from anywhere. So I'm going to right click and import object. Now this is the tool presets folder from 3D Coat. I dumped a few things in there just to do some experimentation. These are both airtight models that I've added, test head and test head double. I wanted to see if I could bring an airtight model that's multiple volumes to see if that would import properly, and it actually has for me. So I know that that's at least possible. I wasn't even sure if you could actually do that before, but I'll just bring in the head for now. So there's the head. So that's working properly. 619,000 polygons. I think it's more than that. I wish you could actually just type a number here. Doesn't look like you can, so you kind of have to scale this to, oops. You have to scale it to match kind of what the polygon count was that you wanted. Although if you look at this, it's not changing. I don't know why. Okay. It's still not changing. So see, these are some of the weird things that I don't understand why this isn't updating. Let's apply it. So there it is. It looks pretty much identical to the other one. So that's good. And just to double check to make sure this is working properly, I'm going to go to, I don't know, any one of these tools. And it's working. The sculpting is working on it. So that's good. So that worked. I'm going to try a different layer. Let me hide that. And let me see. So we've still got that there, and we've still got that. Okay. And I'm going to try to bring in one from a different location now. Same head. Same head exported the exact same way, but in a different directory structure. So again, same exact head and nothing. I don't understand why. If anybody can enlighten me as to why it would be like that, that would be great, and why it all of a sudden appeared way over here. This gizmo likes to move around on me. Eventually when I'm using this program, I want to be able to keep everything at 0, 0, 0, and I haven't seen a video really talking about that yet. And maintaining scale amongst all of the objects that I bring in, because I want to bring in multiple objects. So, see, that's not working. And there's nothing really that I can do to make that work. And then, so see, here's another wonderful thing. So I double click on an object to bring another object in, and everything just disappears. So I have, and I can't zoom, I can't rotate, there's nothing working right here. I can't auto zoom. I have to actually exit out of this tool, and now I can zoom, but there's nothing here. Let me turn this stuff back on. So I'm going to kill this layer. Delete. I'm going to add a new one. So with this other thing visible, let's try it again. So that seems to work, maybe. I like that, and it seems to update with whatever I've selected. That's good. So let's try importing that other head again. Same exact head as this one, just in a different location. Maybe that does matter. Nope, nothing. I get absolutely nothing. So I have no idea what's going on, or why it would do that, or maybe some of these checkboxes need to be changed, or something in here. I'm making this video specifically to get some help, because I only have 20 days left to decide whether or not I want to buy the program after the trial ends. So I'm really hoping this program can do what I want. It looks like it has potential to be able to do what I want, as long as I can get it to be consistent with how I import and export models. Thanks a lot.